Hi guys, welcome back to one of the mostly used what-if analysis tool, GoalSeek. I hope you are finding these videos useful to clarify your concepts and understanding of what-if analysis tool. GoalSeek, what-if analysis tool to find the input value required to achieve a specific goal in a formula. So guys, recall the concept of what-if analysis. What-if analysis is a process used in decision-making and problem-solving. It involves changing the values in a set of assumptions or inputs to observe how those changes affect the outcomes or results. It is often used in business, finance, economics, and various scientific fields to predict the impact of different scenarios and make informed decisions. GoalSeek, what-if analysis tool to find the input value required to achieve a specific goal in a formula. It's a type of what-if analysis that is particularly useful when one knows the result one wants, but one is unsure of the input needed to achieve that result. It helps one find the necessary input value to achieve a specific outcome, making it ideal for financial analysis, budgeting, sales forecasting, and more. GoalSeek is an essential tool in Excel for performing backward calculations. Using GoalSeek in Excel. Step 1. Set up your worksheet. First, create a spreadsheet with the necessary input variables and the formula that calculates the desired outcome. Here is the sample worksheet created to learn how actually GoalSeek can be used in Excel. Scenario: you are selling a product and want to achieve a target profit of $5,000. You know the quantity you will sell and your costs, but you're not sure what the selling price per unit needs to be to hit your profit goal. You can use GoalSeek to find the required selling price. Here the calculated fields are total revenue, total costs, and profit. Step 2. Access GoalSeek. Go to the Data tab. Click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. What-if analysis. Click on What-if analysis and then select GoalSeek from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Set up the GoalSeek using the dialog box as follows. Set cell. The cell containing the formula whose value you want to set to a specific goal. In this case, select cell B8 profit. To value. The target value you want to achieve. Enter $5,000 here, since you want a profit of $5,000. By changing cell, select cell B5 selling price per unit. Here is worksheet in Excel with sample data. The goal, or an objective, is find the selling price of the product to achieve the profit of $5,000. Here the quantity to be sold and cost per item, including fixed cost and variable cost per item, are known. TH question is, what selling price will give the profit of $5,000? Now let's use the what-if analysis tool. Goal seek to find the selling price to get the targeted profit. Observe the sample data in the worksheet. The inputs are quantity sold, fixed cost, variable cost per item. The total revenue is calculated as product of quantity sold and the selling price. The total cost is calculated as fixed cost plus the product variable cost per unit and the quantity sold. The profit is total revenue minus total costs. Let's learn and master using Goal Seek, the what-if analysis tool, to find the selling price to achieve the targeted profit of $5,000. Go to the Data tab. Click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. What-if analysis. Click on What-if analysis and then select Goal Seek from the drop-down menu. A Goal Seek dialog box is displayed. Excel now needs information from the user to know the sell and targeted value to find the changing value, i.e. selling price in this scenario. Now let's set up the Goal Seek dialog box. Set cell, the cell containing the formula whose value you want to set to a specific goal. In this case, select cell B8 profit to value, the target value you want to achieve. Enter 5,000 here, since you want a profit of $5,000. By changing cell, select cell B5, selling price per unit. Click on OK button to find the required selling price. The goal seek has determined the selling price as $50 per unit to achieve a profit of $5,000. Now, if satisfied, click OK to accept the changes, or one can cancel it by clicking the Cancel button. Now, if required, you can try it out for other target of profit. Let's try to find the selling price with a target profit of $6,000. Done. Great. A profit of $6,000 can be achieved by keeping selling price of $55. Let's explore one more common example of achieving the targeted average marks using Goal Seek. What should be social science marks to get the average of 90 marks? Here, the average function is used to find the average. Let's use Goal Seek to solve the query. Set up the Goal Seek dialog box. Set cell, the cell containing the formula whose value you want to set to a specific goal. In this case, select cell B7, average as 90. To value, the target value you want to achieve. Enter 90 here, since you want an average of 90. By changing cell, select cell containing social science marks. So by scoring 78 in social science, the average 90 can be scored. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to like and share the video. So guys, please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you once again. Bye for now. See you soon.